This is the peaceful little village of Cheeseville. There hasn't been a marauding cat inside this village for many years. You see, the mice live here secure in the knowledge that they are constantly guarded by the brave volunteers of the Cheeseville Cat Defense. Of course, the cats keep trying to get in, but...
Cheeseville Cat Defense, keep out.
Unidentified plane coming in at 11 o'clock. Strange bubbles coming downstream.
Yes, the Cheeseville Cat Defense is so efficient that Mighty Mouse finds time to relax and enjoy a well-earned vacation. However, Mighty Mouse would not be so relaxed if he knew what was taking place near Cheeseville.
Now look here, you guys. We can't get into Cheeseville to get at the mice, see? So we're gonna get the mice to leave town, see?
But how, Chief?
I got a plan, see? Mighty Mouse himself is gonna send them out of town.
We interrupt Mighty Mouse's vacation to bring him this urgent news flash.
What?
I repeat, we interrupt Mighty Mouse's vacation to bring him this urgent news flash. The Cheeseville Dam has burst.
The Cheeseville Dam?
Yes, the Cheeseville Dam has burst and billions of gallons of water are rushing towards the doomed city.
Take to the hills. The dam has burst. The dam has burst. Take to the hills. Now to save the dam.
Here they come, boys.
Hey, Mighty Mouse, what's all the yelling about?
I thought the dam had burst.
That's a mite ridiculous. She's as solid as the rock of... where'd he go?
Come on back, everybody! There's been a mistake! There's something wrong.
Got 'em all. Look out! Here comes Mighty Mouse!
mice of Cheeseville are saved as their great champion, Mighty Mouse, puts the marauding cats in a deep freeze for a long, long time.
Viacom.